it's Shalini back with another mini vlog. Today's order is all the way from Rajkampur and I'm packing this adorable cute clips and hairbands and getting them ready to be sent by post. So come pack this order with me, and this is a part 1 journey from packing to dispatching. If you love this cute accessories, order yours through my business account Perak and Petals.